welcome to the packing cube series that I'm doing here on this channel because I have a ton of packing cubes and I wanted to share all of my thoughts about all of them with you. So the next set in this packing cube series is a new set of packing cubes from eBags that I saw when I was shopping for my fiance for different packing cubes. And the first one is this one here. It is to fold your dress shirts because we were going on a cruise, so I thought it'd be nice for him to have a good place to fold his dress shirts. And when you open it up, if I open it up the right way, it has this little folding card in here so you can fold all of your shirts in the same size so that they all fit within this cube. I will say it is not a very deep cube, so you can't really fit that many shirts in it. Like you can see, this is how deep it is. It's like just from here to here. So it's not as deep as some of the other cubes that they have in their collection. As you can see, like this cube in their other collection is a lot deeper. I get that the shirts are going to be a little bit thinner, but he's not wearing small clothes. He doesn't wear small clothes, so it doesn't hold as much as I thought it was going to. All in all, still a good cube. It's one of the newest ones we have, so I can't rate it on durability yet because we've only gone on one trip with it, but when I do, when I find that out, maybe we'll come back and do another review. The next one I did is their compression cube. I've always been curious about compression cubes. You unzip this zipper here, and then it's kind of like those suitcases that expand. It gives you that extra room on the side here, and then when you pack your suitcase up all the way, then you go on this side and you zip it closed. That way, you put a bunch of clothes in here or whatever you want in here, and when you zip it closed, it makes the cube smaller, saving you space, and then you get to pack more, which I think is great. So these two cubes, pretty new. I will say one thing that they are missing that all the other packing cubes have from eBags is a handle. You guys know, I know some people don't like handles and they really could care less, but I'm really big on handles. I'm the kind of person where I like to take as few trips as possible from suitcase to drawer when I get on a cruise, so if I can get as many handles in my hand as possible, it just makes things easier on me. But these two do not have handles, which I'm kind of sad about, but other than that, they look like they're gonna last long, but we really won't know until we test them out further. So when it comes to this set of packing cubes, this is the folder, and I believe this one's the small. They do have a slim and a cube, which are both smaller than this size here. So for the design, you can see they have like little mesh triangles on the side, so that's still keeping to what eBag likes for their mesh on their cubes, but it has more of that minimalistic design where it's fully covered for most of the cube here. When it comes to color options, this is the only colorway you can get it in at the time of this recording, so it's black with the blue zippers. So if that's not your thing, then these are not going to be the cubes for you. And as I said before, with durability, it's a little too early to test them. These are the newest ones I have. I've thoroughly tested all the other packing cubes that I have, and if you want to know more about those packing cubes, I'm having what I'm calling the ultimate packing cube showdown, where I take all the packing cubes that I have and then rate them all together in the same video so you can see which ones I like best, which ones I don't quite like, in all the different categories. And let's just move on to that video here, so you can click on it here.